Welcome to Magical Science. This channel, it's going to be about science. So we're going to cover the 4 core subjects, I would say subdivisions of science: biology, earth science, physics, and chemistry. So first we're starting off with biology, and every 5 videos I'm going to change the topic to another subunit of science. So the first 5 videos we're covering biology, and today we're doing mitosis. So mitosis, the main thing people are gonna say is that mitosis and meiosis are same. No, they're not. They have major differences in them. So first I'm going to start off with that difference between mitosis and meiosis. I'm just going to go over a basic overview of this. So first major differences of mitosis and meiosis is the number of stages. So meiosis, I would say it's mitosis 2 times. So mitosis has 4 stages excluding interphase. And meiosis has 8 stages, I believe, excluding interphase again. Now let's talk about the position where all of these occur. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells, which have 46 chromosomes. And meiosis occurs in germ cells, which have 23 chromosomes, so that they can link together with the different germ cells from the different gender. Next is the purpose. So the purpose of mitosis is cellular proliferation. So cellular proliferation is nothing but cell growth. It's like you grow bigger. Why do you grow nails? It's because mitosis. When you get a cut on your skin, how does it get fixed? It's because of mitosis. So that's how cellular proliferation works. And meiosis is because of sexual reproduction, which is just forming new offspring. In mitosis, chromosome number stays the same because it stays from diploid to diploid. But in meiosis, it goes from diploid to haploid. So the main goal is for the parent cell is diploid, and mitosis, that's what happens. In meiosis, the main goal is for the parent cell not to be diploid anymore. It's going to form haploid daughters. Now let's talk about genetic variation. In mitosis, genetic variation doesn't change, and in meiosis, genetic variation is increased. I'm not going to talk about this in depth right now. We're going to do this in a separate video. The next video is going to be about meiosis. Let's go into mitosis phases. So the first phase is interphase. As you see, I just drew them. So in interphase, 90% of the time, the cell is an interphase. Because if your cell kept dividing, it would be rapid growth. It's like out of control. It's kind of the main reason for cancer. Not talking about it now. So I'm going to explain right now. So in interphase, the nucleus is still there. As you see, the circle is the nucleus. And inside that is all the DNA, chromosomes. And if you don't know, DNA and chromosomes, you would say they're different, but they're similar. Because chromosomes are nothing but DNA and proteins just mixed together and in a condensed, thick form. I don't know what I'm saying now. So these stars you see up there, it's just the poles. We're going to talk about what the poles do a little later in the other phases. So right now, interphase is nothing. It's just growing, daily cell functions. Nothing really that interesting. Now let's go to prophase. Prophase, oh yeah. So the key is maternal, paternal, gray and green. So in prophase, the chromosomes are thickening up. They're getting more visible, getting ready for mitosis. Mitosis has started already, but it's just getting ready. Chromosomes getting ready. Nucleus is still there. As you can see, the circle is still there. nothing much to talk about prophase. Let's move on to metaphase. So metaphase, now in metaphase, what the chromosomes do, they just line up at the center. And yeah, now I mentioned these lines, right? They line up like that according to the poles. So they line up, and in metaphase, the nucleus, it's starting to just fade away. So I tried to, okay, I'm gonna say it's starting to fade away. And one more thing I'm gonna say is chromatids, what chromatids are. So if you imagine this X as a chromosome, this boxed thing, it's going to be a chromatid. It's just half of the chromosome. Just letting you know basic information. Now let's see anaphase. Anaphase I'm going to call is like the ferocious phase. It just rips apart those chromosomes lined up at the poles, as I said. It just rips apart into half, and now you're gonna see the nucleus is just not there right now. It rips apart and goes near the poles, and the shape of the cell right now is like this weird binocular shape. It's starting to go into a circular shape, as you can see. So these tiny pieces of those chromosomes I said were chromatids. These chromatids are now going to go towards the pole. Next, let's talk about telophase. Telophase is kind of like the ending point. We're ending mitosis right now. So telophase, you see the shape? It's like getting more thinner and thinner at the center, this place. And I'm gonna say the nucleus has formed at both the sides. The nucleus has formed, all the chromatids are in. They're going to form into chromosomes really soon. And just to let you know again, I said this at the beginning, mitosis, the daughter cells are still diploid. They are not haploid. I'm just saying that so loud just to make you remember that, because that's what people make most mistakes on during a test or something like that. So both of these cells, I would say becoming cells, are diploid. So that's telophase, just forming the nucleus. And now cytokinesis is just responsible for dividing that one binocular shaped cell into two different cells. So cytokinesis does nothing but just divides it. Thank you for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel for more interesting science content. So next video is going to be about meiosis. And please in the comment section tell me tips for making YouTube videos and whatever you want to tell me, because I know this is my first video. Please help me out. Please share this with your friends so that we share knowledge around. Everyone should know this. Bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye.